we have limited edition wetland aminals, Natalie the Nene. So yes, if you watched what was it called? If you watched our Castle Espie video, yes, if you watched a Castle Espie video, you would have seen Natalie the Nene, but she wasn't like this, she was more grey. I might get a picture of it. Ah, yes, there it is. So that is what Natalie the Nene looked like in the big brick form, but this is what she looks like in like set form. That's because there's a few different types of Nenes. Like there's this one here and the other one. Anyway, so this is made by Bright Bricks. It isn't an official Lego set, and we got it at the Wetlands Wildlife and Trust. And yeah, the Bright Bricks is the people who make the big models. Like, so I think some of them in the Lego store was made by Bright Bricks, but they're used by Lego. They're certified professionals, Lego certified professionals. So yeah, so this is like a Lego set, but it isn't made by Lego. It's a Lego Ideas set, but it isn't in the theme of Lego Ideas, because yeah, so basically that's basically it. So anyway, let's get this built. Yep, I think that's it. Let's get this built. Welcome to LK Bricks. Welcome back anyway. So this is Natalie the Nene finished. She is one lovely bird. Yeah. Oh, yeah, forget about that. Forget about all you saw. Anyway, so she's got lots of colours. You can move the wings a wee bit, but that comes off like it is not supposed to. Breaking everything now. So the legs are actually quite big, quite good to balance this Natalie out. Yeah, the face though is not the best. Well, I suppose Lego didn't design this, so that will be a bit not good. But look at the size of it. Levi could ride her. Look, Levi. Yeah, it's gonna keep on falling off. So yeah, quite nice. Good wee limited edition build. You can kind of like move the wings a bit. Flapping away. Got nice tail feathers there. Yep, and they've got some flat carved pieces in there so you can move the wings around. Minifigure not included. Even though it would be awesome if it did. Yep, it would be so awesome if it did. The eyes were quite good, I'm saying. Just a bit. Yes. So, yeah, I think that is it for this review Only you can do this very easily. Not something good there. Yeah, it falls apart easily. So goodbye from LK Bricks. Not enough stuff to keep it in there up. Oops.